Of course, the reason for pride has to do with the underlying fear. Once the person faces the underlying fear, they can then let go of the pride. So one thing about these negative fields is that they tend to reinforce each other. Seldom do you see just one alone. One predominates, but they are really all feeding into each other. So that one has grief over one's anger, one has anger over one's pride, one has fear over one's grief, etc. So that they all tend to reinforce each other. So an upset is usually composed of a composite of all these negative energy fields. Something crucial happens now at the level of courage. And courage, which calibrates at 200, has an enormous amount of power. It's obvious that courage settled the United States of America. Courage created all the great industries. Courage is the basis of man's getting to the moon. So courage has an enormous amount of energy. And of course the Marines starts at pride, but really hopes to move you up to a more stable level called courage. Why? It's not so much the increase of the increment of 25 points in the energy field, although that is sizable. The critical thing is that the energy field now goes neutral. The reason for that is that the person has told the truth. So in the integrity scale, and this is nothing but an adaptation of the integrity scale combined with psychoanalysis and various other fields from geomancy, etc. Once you tell the truth, then you're above the line. You're no longer a victim.